All right, welcome back. Once again, this is Michael, and we are going to go ahead to preparations. So let's get started. So for our preparations, we need to have a laptop or a desktop for the actual design. If you're going to watch the course with your cell phone, mobile, or even your tablet, it will be hard for you to follow for the instruction, because most of our design will be done through using a computer. If you're using a Mac or Windows or Linux, it's up to you, since our work would be basically on the browser. Okay, so we will be using the browser, and if there will be software that we are going to use, then it should be compatible with your operating system. Okay, so the next one is do some quick research about WordPress on what is it all about. Okay, so I want you and I encourage you to do some quick research about WordPress, and so that you will have a basic background for what it is and what can it do on our for our background learning. Okay, so that's the second one. And the third one is don't rush the course. Take your time and do the project. So some students, they just want to watch the course, the videos, and then skip and skip and skip. And at the end of the day, they have learned nothing. Okay, so if you want to take the best out of this course, then you have to take your time and do the projects. And surely you will develop the skills. All right, the fourth one is watch first how things are done and do the same. So I encourage you to the first few minutes of the video. I encourage you to watch first and listen carefully what is being taught. And if you feel that you need to recreate or do the project that has been demonstrated, then you have to pause the video and follow the procedures, the same procedures. Okay, through that, you will be able to develop your experience and your skills and have your experience in doing so. Okay, and then the next one, make sure to have the same output and experiment later. What I mean here is that make sure that the instructor's output or project is the same with yours. Okay, because if you have a different output, then it will be harder for you to follow through. Okay, so I encourage you to follow the instructions and see the same output to be done. All right, so number 6, if you have questions, you can use ChatGPT. Yes, since we have now the free version of ChatGPT and even Copilot, if you want to know something about WordPress and the things that is associated with it, then you have to check for answers through ChatGPT and Google. Okay, and the next thing you need to know is um, the instructor can be reached and you can ask questions and address it to your instructor. Right here in Udemy, we have the messenger for the instructor. You can use that, and I will reply to you. Okay, all right. And the last one, please discover things after learning. After I have shown you the ways and the procedures and the features, and if you want to do some experiments, then you might do so. Okay, that would be a great way for you to learn and see how things work around WordPress and the free plugin Elementor. All right, that's it. And I think if you are already done with the preparation, then if you are ready to get started, then let's go ahead to our first lesson for building our website. Alright, see you on our next topic. Let's begin building WordPress website right away.